Okay, there goes my red devil. There's my other red devil, my blood parrot. Just added these 2 fire mouth cichlids. You know, got my Texas in there. There goes my upper Texas. Got my 4-line catfish down in there. You know, 75-gallon aquarium. I call this new Cichlid City. And down here, inside my 10-gallon, which I'm about to upgrade soon. About to throw a 55-gallon down in here. I got a snakeskin gourami. Now, people say that these things is not aggressive. This gourami has bodied my Oscar. He bodied by all my flower horn, 2 of my flower horns to be exact, and my man a greasy cichlids. So I got him by himself now. He's on punishment. You know, yeah, that's it for now. Holla at your boy. Marine life. You dig? 1.